we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Hey, have you seen the DeLonghi Eletta? I was checking out this renewed model, the ECAM 44660B. It looks pretty slick, and the reviews are great.
Oh yeah? I've been eyeing the Magnifica Evo next, the ECAM 31080SB. It's brand new, and seems pretty high-tech. What's got you interested in the Eletta?
Well, the Eletta is a super-automatic espresso machine, and it's got that automatic cappuccino system which sounds amazing. Plus, it can brew 2 cups at once. What about the Magnifica Evo Next?
Same here, super automatic. But the Evo Next boasts 13 one-touch recipes: latte, cappuccino, americano, you name it. And it has user profiles, so each person can save their preferred settings.
Nice! The Eletta also has a built-in grinder and a milk frother. What about the grinder on the Evo Next?
It's got a conical burr grinder with 13 settings too. And the latte crema system apparently works with both regular milk and milk alternatives. Pretty fancy, huh?
Cool. The Eletta is a bit bigger, at 14.16 DX 10.2 WX 18.36H, and weighs 24.2 pounds. How does that compare to the Magnifica Evo Next?
The Evo Next is a bit more compact, at 17.5 DX 9.5 WX 14H, and weighs less, 21.2 pounds. So, a bit easier to fit on the counter, maybe.
Good point. One thing I'm wondering about the Eletta is that it's renewed, so it's pre-owned. I wonder if the new one is worth the extra price.
That's a valid concern. The Evo Next is definitely pricier, but it's brand new and has a colored display screen and touch buttons. Plus, it's a #1 bestseller.
That's tempting. The Eletta does have automatic cleaning programs. Is the Evo Next easy to clean too?
Yep, it has an auto-clean function and a dishwasher-safe parts, so cleanup should be a breeze. It seems like the Evo Next is geared towards personalization and ease of use, and the Eletta is very focused on good quality espresso and milk drinks.
Okay, you've convinced me to compare the new prices more closely. Thanks for the insight. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.